Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn how to post minibar and laundry charges in Numerah. To post minibar and laundry charges, user need to access room management. Select room management and click on minibar or laundry. Here we are selecting laundry. To add or post charges, click on Add button. Select room number if guest is in-house or search the guest name by tick marking on Search from all guest profile. Select the item from the drop-down. Select Attributes and Manage Quantity. Rate will increase or decrease as per selected attributes. User can add multiple items by clicking on plus sign. By tick marking on Auto Settle Room, the bill will automatically get settled in selected guest room. User can print this bill by clicking on Save and Print button. Click on Save and Exit button to save this bill. User will be able to see pending for settlement bills in pending section. Click on Action button and select Settle to settle the bill. User can settle the bill in complimentary, company, staff or rooms. Under Payment section, user can settle the bill in cash, card and UPI. Select the settlement mode. Numerah will automatically take balance of the bill. User can settle the bill in multiple payment mode by clicking on plus sign. Click on Save to settle the bill. All the settled bills will be shown in Settled section. Thank you.